You already know that videos play a crucial role in your business today. But with so much clutter out there, how do you stand out? At Serica Visuals, we help elevate brands by creating compelling videos so they can attract clients and close investors. You ready for this? In 3 minutes or less. Through all the stages of video production, you're 100% taken care of by our fun and dynamic team. So not only will you have a fantastic video, you'll also have the best creative experience that will help you fall in love with your brand all over again.
Okay. Hindi tayo, pack up.
After 10 years of creating videos, I have found that you can amplify your message best when you reach your audience in the most authentic and purposeful way possible. My name is Serica, and if you're ready to take your business to the next level, then allow us to be part of your most exciting journey yet. It's an exciting day, and on this episode, it's all about fun, food, and fitness. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. Ano po pangalan natin at ano ating special powers?